as they're going up like that. Here's the marks right here. More marks. You see them all on each step. Well, this carpet cleaner, and they got some more there. Oh yeah, we'll get that off. They never did. This carpet cleaner that I got, it'll do that too because it's got the actual wand. How much did this carpet cleaner cost me? I think it was 150 bucks. It cracks me up. Every year, Hoover tries to make a new and improved one, so you can never buy the one that you bought initially. I bought Hoover carpet cleaners from Home Depot 3 different times over the course of years, and every couple years they change. And see, here it is. This one's a Power Scrub Elite Pet. And it's the carpet cleaner all in this little box. Yeah, you pull it out and you have to screw this top bit on. But I also like the fact that it comes with the wand and everything. I don't know where it is. I thought it came with the wand. See, I haven't even opened it yet. Boy, if the last one I got, it came with the wand, and I'm sure it comes with one. This was the most elite. Dries 2 times faster. It also heats you put warm water in it, and it will supposedly heat it up too. And man, I hope it has that scrubber, because that's why I bought that specifically, so that I could use the hand wand and do the stairs. And it's not showing it on the picture, but the last 2 Hoover ones that I got years ago, it came with it, and you don't have to drag the hose around with you or anything. It comes separate, and then you poke it in, and you poke it in, and I think you pop it in right there. You pull that open, and then the hose sticks on there. I'm surprised they didn't show a picture of the wand or anything, you know, because they usually do. Anyways, I'm gonna end up using this to clean the carpets down there. Oh, anything. I like to be in control of stuff. You know, if I get a mark, I don't want to have to call a cleaning company, pay them $100 a visit just to undo a spot, or do just these stairs. You know, because mark my words, they're gonna get dirty again. You barely look at this floor and it gets dirty. Yeah, you got me wondering myself, and so I had to open up this box. I had to open up this box just to convince myself that this was in here, and it is. See, that's your bits that you've got a hose. See, here's your hose that gets connected. Here's a couple handheld wands right there. Here's a small little tool. And this one doesn't have any wheels. Sometimes you can get these don't have it, but sometimes I've seen certain types of carpet cleaners will have wheels in there, just like the bottom, except miniature. Where the brush turns, you would have a small mini roller in here with the brush turning. But as a matter of fact, this one does not have it, and maybe they've determined that you don't need it. And I'm gonna have to use this back and forth on the stairs, and figure out, you know, the best way to get that off. This one's not as nice. I've seen some with the little mini roller, and then you actually had a button here to press for the water and stuff. I don't want to get ahead of myself too far. Maybe there must be something. Okay, here it is right here. You press on that, and that shoots your water out. This goes on the end. Boom. And then you use that, pressing that for the water to spray out, and the cleaner to spray out and then let go and then brush it in and suck it out. Okay, so it does have it, and I'm anxious and curious to see how well it's going to do on those stairs. But for right now, hey, I got to get back to those hinges and greasing them up.